We must make meditation a very regular practice. The more you meditate, the more you read books, the more the experiences you get, the wiser you become. The more you are strong in the inner, the more you are strong in the outer. The more you are peaceful inside, the more you are peaceful outside. The more you are healthy inside, the more you are healthy outside. This clearly says that your outer is just a reflection of what you are inner. This starts from the day you are inside your mother. So let us understand how pregnancy works and what meditation impacts. The first thing is when a lady becomes pregnant. It's a very joyful information, it's a very happy news. Everybody's in joy. But if you understand the science better, you can give more health, more happiness, and more energy to the baby. And everybody should understand this pregnancy and how it is related. Not just ladies, not mothers who said, okay, I already delivered kids, I don't need them. No. Everybody must understand the science because we are all born out of it and many of you are giving birth. The first thing is when you meditate, if you are a regular meditator, the labor pains reduces by 50% naturally. How can I even say that? Because there is a proof. There are two chemicals in the bodies. We generally take painkillers for avoiding all the pains from the body. Endorphins and dopamine are the two chemicals that gets released in the brain a lot in people who overdo meditation. These endorphins and dopamine are generally 100 times more powerful than the painkillers. There is a case study like few women are only meditated 4 days before the delivery of the baby and their pain is reduced to 27%. You see that our body has natural capabilities to release multiple chemicals depending upon how your state of mind is. So when there is a delivery, there is a pain, a lot of women are afraid of it. So when they do regular practice of meditation, the pain reduces drastically. Second, the connectivity between the mother and the baby. You must always talk to the baby. They are listening and the baby stays inside the mother womb in a placenta. It's full of water. So the emotions, the thoughts of a woman highly reflecting the baby. It's very important. I always remember what the great enlightened master Osho has said. Unless you are ready to take care of the baby for next 14-15 years, don't even plan for pregnancy. He says that. A woman has to give that full time to the baby. Otherwise, don't even plan for the baby. Osho has said this. They need so much of care, not just after the birth, but when you are pregnant. So in the pregnancy, when you are taking care, talking to the baby, creating a nice environment with pyramids, with nice Hindustani instrumental musics or Carnatic instrumental musics. No shocking news, no anger, no depressions, no anxieties. Then the baby is born with a great health, physically and mentally. If you have a lot of fear, anxiety, depression, the same gunas or the characteristics goes inside you and then it goes inside the baby. And then they have to clear it off after they are born with their own struggles. So the mind has to be perfect. So meditation is the only way which corrects your mind. It keeps you calm. And when you meditate, the baby is meditating. My aunt used to meditate for many hours during her pregnancy. And after the baby is delivered, she said, I don't know how I meditated for many hours only during pregnancy, not before and after. I said, it is the message and it is the force by the baby to make you do meditation. It's a great enlightened master. They want to be born. So they make the mother meditate sometimes. When my wife is pregnant, I always used to speak with the baby. They communicate. If you have the skill of telepathy, then you can talk to the babies. Many pregnant ladies, when they talk to me, I communicate. It means I don't wantedly do. When I talk, it happened many times naturally. I remember way back in 2005, there's a lady in Chennai. So when I was sitting next to her, I went into trance and the baby said, ask my mother to listen to a lot of music and do a lot of meditation. And the baby told at what date and time it is going to be born. So I told her it is not my message, it is the baby's message. And exactly it happened. So the babies are always trying to communicate. But when we have 50 to 70,000 thoughts, and that will add into it and you will never be able to catch. You must meditate. 10 days ago I was talking to a pregnant lady and I did astral traveling inside her womb and I played with the baby. And it's a girl baby. So I told her. She said, I feel like boy baby. I said, let's see who wins. So, but the baby want more energies. That is a message the baby gave to me. So I told her, do more meditation, keep the pyramid cap on the abdomen so that the energies are always consumed. So from the day you decide to become pregnant, you have to take care. There are so many infertility cases, they all became pregnant. Whatever the medical science, they only look at the physical body. The spiritual science looks at the 7 bodies. We have karmic patterns. We have cosmic energy. This is a very big science. And out of the 7 bodies, only one body, the medical science talks. It is very small. The mother of all the sciences is spiritual science. So they have to meditate a lot so they can reduce their depressions, anxieties, anger, confusions, doubts. They have to be out of stress. If a pregnant lady is stressed, the heartbeat of the baby goes double. So you have to create an atmosphere where you really enjoy that period of 9 months. 9 months is too big, I understand totally. By the time you come to know, it's already more than 1 or 2 months. So literally speaking, 7 to 7.5 months. We need to be careful, 28 to 30 weeks. Because once they are born, they have to be physically, mentally healthy. Who doesn't want a healthy baby? Nice music, nice vegetarian food, nice meditation, nice pyramids energies, energized water. These are the things they need. Good rest. Pregnant ladies has to remember that the baby is inside the water and their thoughts and emotions reflects in the water because water has storage. Water has storage, water can record something. Water has vibrations. If you read the entire Bhagavad Gita during a pregnancy, the baby will know what is Bhagavad Gita before it is born. So we must give lot. There was one case where the baby went upside down in the pregnancy. The doctors were about to do the cesarean. The mother is luckily a meditator. She said, wait for some time. She took a pyramid hat, kept on the stomach. Within 15-30 minutes, the baby came into the position. And then the natural delivery happened. So many miracles and so many cases we keep hearing. So we must believe and trust what we are doing. Then when we add meditation into our lives, especially during the pregnancy, you can give birth to a very healthy baby. I have sent a link, Spiritual Motherhood blogspot, to everyone. We did so much research. My wife has done so much research and others have helped so much. So they created that blog to especially help the mothers and to be mothers so that they can give a good health physically and mentally to the babies. So why you want to wait until the pregnancy? Start from now and then everything will happen naturally. The more you meditate, the more pure you become, the more clear you become both in the body and the mind.
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for the latest updates.